Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. So Apple has finally restored SpO2 or blood oxygen app in the Apple Watch Ultra 2, Watch Series 9 and Series 10 for the users having these watches in United States. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get SpO2 or blood oxygen app in the Apple Watch. First of all, you need to update your iPhone OS to version 18.6.1. If you have already installed it, ignore this. Or if you have not installed it, open Settings, Journal, Software Update. Here look for the update and you get information that this update adds the same functionality. Download and install it. After that you need to update watchOS to version 11.6.1. Press the crown and then locate Settings, Journal, Software Update. Here you will find the update. Download and install it. You can also install the update from linked iPhone as well. Once you have updated iPhone iOS version to 18.6.1 and Watch iOS version to 11.6.1, you are good to go. Now let's measure SpO2. For that, press crown again and then locate and open blood oxygen app. Here you will get tips about getting better result from this app. So make sure you are following the same. Follow instructions and click next until you reach this screen. Here tap start and make sure to keep your hand stable until timer is running. And that's it. It shows the result. You can also track your blood oxygen results on iPhone or iPad in the Health app. For that, open the Health app. Show all health data, blood oxygen. Here you will find the stats. And that's all about this video. I hope this helps. If you find this video useful in any way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.